Today we will start with metals and non-metals. Now today is lesson number 1. Now what are basically metals? Now metals are defined as the elements which form positive ions by the loss of electrons. Now for example, Na, this is a metal, this is sodium. The symbol of sodium is Na because the Latin name of sodium is natrium. Now, if sodium it loses one electron, then we will get a positive ion, that is Na plus. Similarly, if magnesium loses two electron, then we will get Mg2 plus. And if aluminium, one atom of aluminium loses three electron, then in that case we will get Al3 plus. Now these Na plus, this Mg2 plus, this Al3 plus, they are basically positive ions. That means they are basically cations. That means metals, they lose electron and they form cations. The only exception is hydrogen. Now hydrogen is a non-metal, though hydrogen loses electron and forms a positive ion. Now what about non-metals? Now non-metals are elements which form negative ions by the gain of electron. Okay, so non-metal, for example, chlorine. The symbol of chlorine is Cl. Now it will gain one electron and we will get Cl minus. It's a negative ion. That is basically anion. For example, oxygen, it will gain two electron and we will get O2 minus, and nitrogen, it will gain three electron and we will get N3 minus. So non-metals, they gain electron. That means one atom of any non-metal, they gain one electron or two electron or three electron and they form negative ions. That means anions. Now the number of electrons lost or the number of electrons gained by an atom of an element is known as the valency of that particular element. For example, sodium, it is losing one electron, so the valency of sodium is 1. For example, magnesium is losing 2 electron, so the valency of magnesium is 2. Similarly, aluminium losing 3 electron, so the valency of aluminium will be 3. Similarly, in case of non-metal, chlorine, it's gaining 1 electron, so its valency will be 1. Oxygen gaining 2 electron, so its valency will be 2. And nitrogen gaining 3 electron, so the valency of nitrogen will be 3. Now, what are basically valency? Now, the valency is basically the combining capacity of an element. And why we require valency? Because in order to write the formula of compounds, for example, NaCl is a compound. NaCl is a compound. So NaCl is sodium chloride. So in order to write the formula of a compound, we need the valency of the elements. For example, sodium, the valency is 1. We write valency in this way. And chlorine, the valency will be 1. So 1 will move to here and this one will move to here. So it will be basically Na1Cl1. We don't write 1 below Na and Cl, so it will be NaCl like that. For example, water. Now hydrogen and oxygen. Now the valency of hydrogen is 1 and the valency of oxygen is 2. So 1 will move here and 2 will move here. So it will become H2O. Okay. Now we will definitely do a session only on valency and only on how to write the formula of different compounds. So this is basically today's session where we are defining metals which lose electron and they form cations, and non-metals which gain electron and they form anions. Okay, so this much for today. Um, if you like my video, then press the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe the channel. Press the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, and we will again meet in the next video. Okay, thank you.